How to make private server in Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you make private server in Roblox. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Roblox app with your account. After you open Roblox, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to just open any game from where you want to make a private server. After you open that, from here, at the bottom left, tap on people icon. And from here, tap on the option create private server. From here, you'll have to just provide the server name. After you provide the server name, tap on the option buy now. From here, you can also customize it. Simply tap on customize. And from here, you can customize it. Allow joining option, friend alert or server member. Alright, as you can see, I have successfully created my private server. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.